Welcome back, everybody. This is Arkagon here. So we have no more dry ice. Just gonna grab some more. Da, 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 da. Dry ice. More dry ice. So I'm just grabbing it from this little container. If you're wondering, is it a limited supply? No. Can I use it all? Yes, I can. But I'm not gonna use it all because that'd be dumb. You can see inside this thing, there's still some ice and dry ice, which is pretty cool. And you can see that there's still some dry ice in there, or ice, whatever it is. But given that's not smoking, smoking, it's looks to be just regular ice. Look at that. Regular ice is so boring. Who cares about H2O ice? Like, what is that? It's such boring stuff. CO2 ice is where it's at. That's where all the fun begins. And in the meantime, gonna microwave this beaker. Gonna set to 1 minute. You know what? 130, because I'm a boss. There we go. 130. Gonna set that there. And back to this lovely beaker here. Oh, kind of got stuck there. Look at that. You can see that the ice is forming already. And sooner or later there's going to be water vapor forming all around this, and it's going to be frozen solid. But it looks like there's not enough, so I'm going to grab some more. Now it looks even better. Great. This is our science experiment, kids. When you get into science, this is what you'll be doing for fun. And don't get me wrong, this is fun. Okay. So as we wait for 40 seconds, let me give you a brief history of carbon dioxide. It was discovered back in 1600s. Back when, I'm just kidding, I have no idea what the history of carbon dioxide is. I was just joking. But the thing is, it's fun. Don't do this. I mentioned this before, right? Don't do what I'm doing. Look at this. Don't do it. Do it under supervision, especially for you 12-year-olds who want to play with dry ice, who thinks, oh, this fog is so fun. You gotta be careful, man. You gotta be careful. Don't hold it with your bare hands. Don't hold it like what I'm doing right now. Don't do this, okay? If you want frostbite, do it. If you don't want frostbite, don't do this. Okay? 2 seconds. Oh, pushed it right at 1 second. It's like diffusing a bomb. And look at that, it's pretty hot already, pretty steamy, really nice. So I'm gonna just pop one in there. Look at that, beautiful, what a beaut. And you're probably wondering, you're just putting one in there, it's so boring, like everyone just puts one, why don't you put like the whole thing? Oh, you want the whole thing? Fine. There's the whole thing. How do you like that? How do you like that, huh? Exactly, whole thing. Huge explosion, crazy sound effects. Look at that. There's some close-up view. Yeah, you see white. It's like a cloud. Let's back away. Back away. Enjoy the view. Enjoy the view. Look at this beaker. Look at that. There's already some frost around it. I should put some more dry ice in there. And I think after this bunch, that'll be it for the day. And maybe next time we'll have more adventures. You might be wondering, what happens if you put dry ice in liquid nitrogen? Sorry, can't do that for you. I wish I could. But liquid nitrogen costs money, and I have no money. But this dry ice costs money too, but in a way it's free. And look at that. Now it looks like it's a bit of an equilibrium with the temperature of the water and the dry ice itself. The water itself feels nice and cool. It's not boiling anymore, which is why the raging effects of this dry ice has lessened a bit. And now I'm going to just pour some into this cup. Cheers, mate. Glug 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 glug. Oh, need more. I need more. Here you go, sir. Lots more. Thank you, kind sir. Gluggle, 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 gluggle. So that's pretty fun. That's pretty cool. So let's bring this over. Now you're wondering, can you pipette carbon dioxide gas? Can you? Can you? You bet you can. Let me just put this up here. Let's see. Whoa, you can see that, right? There we go. Look at that. It's like shooting clouds at people. Huh. Cloud effect. Force push. Oh. I'm an airbender. Oh. Yep, so that's about it. There's really nothing else. You have this. You have this beaker. You pour gas into a container. You know what to say about fluids. Fluids fill up with the container that you pour them in. Guess what? This is a fluid. And this demonstrates that gas is indeed a fluid. For all you people who are studying science. But then again, I don't take chemistry or physics. At least not high level of chemistry or physics. So, you know, if you people are like, oh, you're completely wrong. Sure, you know, prove them wrong, and then you know, that's great. You know, that's great. You know, good for you. Good for you, and good for the viewers who read your comment. They'll be able to learn something. So you're gonna say, well, what happens if you put a beaker in a beaker? This beaker will probably explode, and so I will not do that. But then again, this is pretty cold. I'm gonna microwave it. And I'm gonna say, hey, you know, what food do you have? Well, then again, I'm gonna say it's probably like frozen pizza. Let's go. Frozen pizza, 7 slices. Two minutes, 30 seconds, pretty good. Frost is developing on this. Oh, you hear sounds. You hear crackling. Things are popping. Things be popping. Things be popping. Okay, sounds like some angry monster. Sounds like some angry monster trying to run out, trying to kill everybody. Look at that. It's angry. You don't want to excite it. It's angry. Look at that. Right here, we have something called a carbon dioxide monster. If you get too close, it gets angry. If it gets too hot, it gets angry. So don't make it angry. How do you make it not angry? Don't make it hot. Don't come close. Don't film it. Don't do anything to it. Okay, the accent just died partway through. But this is something cool. So it's pretty intense, and because the dying has stopped, I don't know if you can even look inside because the flash is on. I'll turn off the flash. Okay, you probably can't see it, but don't worry, I'll open it up. Look at it, it's like it died. It looks like it died. So there's some things I want to do. I'm gonna get a towel, put it inside, soak it with hot water, then put the towel on top of dry ice and see what happens. Will the towel just like fly away? Will it? I don't know. What's it gonna do? Right? This is an experiment. All right, we're gonna test it out. We're gonna test out this experiment. Right, this is science. Yeah, you do wacky things, and from wacky things you discover new things. And so I've got this dry ice left. You know, let's do the best we can with it. Let's do the best we can. Not sure how the sound is. It's probably bad. Probably good. Who knows? Have to listen to this recording to find out. And by then, if you see it, it's probably good. Oh, some groaning. It's angry, right? You don't want to disturb its natural habitat. And look at the time. Looky. It's nearly 5:45. p.m. Eastern Standard, right? If you want to go super technical. Is it daylight savings? Maybe. I don't know. I would never be able to tell. I keep forgetting if it's EDT or EST. I just say EST all the time, and I'll be right half the time, so, or half the year. Okay, again, 1 second, so pro. Now we have this, whoa, it's really hot now. Whoa, I can't touch that too long. Now we're gonna get one of these babies. Get another one of these. Come on, come out wherever you are. Okay, so we have two. We have this towel. Right, we have this towel. This towel. Nice and hot, I'm gonna put it right on top of it. Nothing. Ugh, it's stuck. It was stuck to my hand. Oh, that was scary. I thought I was gonna like freeze my hand off. But you know what? I'm gonna pour water on top of this. You would be like, oh, don't you have to clean it? Yes, I do. Let's do it. Let's do it. Science. For science, people. For science. You see some steam. Nothing big. I could barely tell if it's the water or if it's the gas. I'm gonna get another towel just to make sure it doesn't leak everywhere, because that would suck. Oh, I should have done it in here. You know what? I just might. Whoop. There we go. And because it's red, you can easily see the contrast. Whoa. This towel's a little frozen. The power's inside of my hand. Okay, enough of that. Okay, wrapped it up in towel. Right, this is nice and cold. Well, it looks really orange. Okay, never mind. Then we're gonna just wipe this up, right? You gotta keep your lab space clean at all times. If CMS, try to clean it as much as possible. Right, you don't. A clean desk gives you clean experiments, and clean experiments means something good, and you want that something good, and those are your results. You want good results. But you might be like, oh well, the guy who discovered penicillin, he was messy. He was a messy guy. Yes, I get it, but he's lucky, right? He's lucky. Not everyone's lucky. Not everybody's lucky, okay? You got a problem? So I'm gonna pour it. Look at that. Whoa. Oh, this is kind of stuck like that. Oh, it's kind of stuck a little. It's like a nice little tray of goodies. I'm gonna add more water. Gonna microwave more water. We're gonna see how this goes. And let the magic begin. Look at that, nice and steamy, steamy. We like steaminess. Frozen pizza? No, this time beverage. Or no, popcorn. You know, everybody loves popcorn. Okay, it's just like oozing. It's just oozing out of the paper towel. I like how the color. Orange? White. Or bluish white. Okay. May the force be with you. Force color change. Ha. 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 Yeah, you gotta be a scientist to have the force powers. Because we make things happen through science. Okay. 1 minute remaining. It's all good. It's all good. Still got some dry ice in there. As you can see, water vapor in the air has solidified into ice crystals around the beaker. This tells you how cold it is, right? This is pretty much like a mini freezer right in here. A freezer, definitely less than 0 degrees Celsius. or for you folks, use Kelvin. Less than negative, not less than negative, less than 273.15 Kelvin. And for you Americans out there, that's less than 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And you know, a question that I've always been wondering is like, why do you Americans use Fahrenheit? So comment below. I'm filming.
No way.
Yep, filming.
What are you filming?
I am filming stuff with stuff. 6 seconds left. It's all good. Should I do it? Should I do it? Should I do it? No, I'm not gonna do it. Nope. 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 Not gonna do it. I'll put it in here. Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that?
I didn't mean to do that. Alright, I'm sorry. Is there anyone everything? Nothing happened.
It didn't explode. It didn't explode. It's good.
Well, actually, nothing happened. Uh-oh. Okay, good.
Nah, it was just
It's
stuck.
not enough.
It was just stuck. Yeah, it's nothing.
Yeah, nothing happened.
Nothing happened. No,
Nothing
nothing happened. Nothing happened. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, nothing happened. Yeah. It's,
Bye-bye, eyes. Bye-bye.
yeah. Bye. So that was my one of the people who were also in this lab. Yep. So I thought this would explode actually, putting it in here, because this is really cold and this is really hot. So it's like, you know, glass would crack, possibly pop, shatter, snap, crackle, pop, explode. Rice Krispies collab. Anyway, oops, that was just clanging of beakers. You don't want to do that. But this is not hot enough. Let's make it hotter. Can we go hotter? You bet you can. That frozen pizza. Still got the dry ice in here. This dry ice is still waning away. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Action! No action. Okay, whatever. I'm an idiot. Okay. I'm an idiot, okay? Okay? Don't get mad at me, bro. Because this video is going to be uncut, unrated edition, right? Uncut, unrated. You do this, vapor is going to be forming inside this beaker. It's going to be like a magic trick. Look at that magic. And you see some. Look at that. That magic trick right here. Oh, focus. Oh yeah, look at that. So it's still microwaving. It's going pretty hot. It might get too hot that I can't even touch it with my own gloved hands. You might be like, oh, your gloves are so yellow. Why? That's what happens when we wear these gloves for so long. Science. And look at these guys, they're spinning in circles. You might be wondering, why are they spinning in circles? Science. Yep. Looks like it's good. It's boiling. Just for kicks, I'm going to pour it all in. And this vapor is really hot. It's not even cold, which is funny. So you want to, do a drama, do some theater acts, and you need some fog effect. Here you go. Here you go. Cup o carbon dioxide for you. Thank you. I want more. Got it. You got it, sir. You got it. Bottoms up. Okay, that's the wrong way of saying it, but whatever. Bottoms up's more like bottoms up. Yeah. Pour more. I'm gonna drink some. That was good. That was good. Still got some left. Maybe I'll give it to some kids. Not my kids. I don't have any kids. Look at that. Look at that. A beaker of CO2. This is what's causing problems in the atmosphere. Global warming is right in this cup. This is the cup representing global warming. Right here. Right here. You know what? Let's add more global warming. This is what will happen 50 years from now. 50 years. This is our Earth. Right inside. Can you see anything? No. That's what's gonna happen. Smog, pollution, we're all gonna die. Do I believe in it? Maybe, maybe not. As you probably can't tell, I'm probably trolling. I'm just like, saying a bunch of stuff that makes no sense. If you think I'm serious, there's some truth in it, but, don't take me seriously. I'm never very serious in anything I say. But yeah, so that has been Archegon playing with some CO2 solid. If you enjoyed this video, like it. If you think, oh, so much excessive material, it's useless, like waiting for water to boil, that's so boring. Oh, because of that, I'm gonna dislike that video. Well, if you're one of those people, you have every right to do so, because you have the power. You have the power to change the world, and I won't stop you from doing that. Until then, this has been Archegon, GLHF in real life. Peace.